Hey, how's it going? Just want to kind of give you guys some hope, really. Just want to kind of give you a tour of vacation house that we're staying at. Um, yeah, earlier this year, due to COVID, my wife she was able to stay home for the rest of the year, and we were just thinking of ways to how to maximize this opportunity, not let COVID win, and we said why not just go away for a little bit? And my wife's family lives in Florida, so we just said, hey, we're gonna come down here for about 2 months and experience Florida, great weather, spend some family time, and really not let COVID win. All year I've been kind of preaching, saying, hey, go out there, do what you got to do, make things happen, look for opportunities. And this is kind of what I knew in the back of my mind that was coming. We planned this, months in advance, and really just really excited about taking this opportunity to bond with my family more. Let my in-laws see our grandkids more since they live down here in Florida. And really just say, you know what, we are going to capitalize on this opportunity, because how many times in life do you just say, hey, I'm just going to drop everything and just go and spend time with my family and just relax and chill. Now my wife is working. I'm doing some stuff also while we're down here, but it is a little easier to do stuff when you get to roll out to the beach, get to hang out, and kind of take some stress off, and really just work on our marriage, just making it better. Spend time with the kids, creating memories. They're pretty young, but they the pictures that we take, the opportunities that we do, that bond that you get to create with your kids while they're young, is something that you can't get back. Going on walks to look for seashells on the beach, or I took my daughter to just go putt putt. Just go get ice cream, do those kind of things. Just kind of go out and do what we want, and really just kind of take it all in. Have a dinner outside, with my wife, or just go play tennis late night, and just really just relax and enjoy life. And I think that's really what I'm kind of making this video for, so you can kind of check it out, but also just so you know that you can go out and make things happen, and really just when things come at you, really look for opportunities to say, hey, how can I make this work for the better? I know we had an election this year that got kind of pretty crazy with a lot of people, but really focus on what matters to you and what you can accomplish really in these times, because I know a lot of people, they got really sidetracked for months and months and months and months, and they had goals that they wanted to hit, and they wanted to do things, and they got swallowed up in other things that were not going to help them hit those goals. So really, I want you to, I might post this here in a couple days or so, but really just take December and finish those 30 days. There's going to be 30 days that you can never get back, and that you can set yourself up a little better than what you were before. I know, I don't do it a ton, but some stocks, I recommended some friends, and they took an opportunity, and they took some of their money that they worked for, and some of them have quadrupled, made thousands of dollars. Some have made a couple $100, but it was just there was an opportunity there. People seized the moment, and they really did very well for themselves. And so yeah, I just want to kind of let you know about that, and just say, hey, if I can ever help you, or if I can do something for you, let me know, because I think we just need to band together more, and be together, and do the best we can. So that's it, and I will show you guys this place, and kind of give you a tour of the property we're staying at. It's pretty awesome. All right, take care, be well, talk to you soon.